Puff. She pees and poos on you a lot, but she's very cute. And she can sit on your shoulder. She does all kinds of stuff. I could even try to put her on my head, but it kind of hurts. She always does that. She wants to be up high. So that's Timmy. Oh. I know this. This is Tilly. Hello, Tilly, Tilly, Tilly. Tilly is one of the rare guinea pigs. Oh, he's let it go. But I'll tell you a bit about them now. These guinea pigs, if you have one, you need to get another one because they need to have friends. And so if they have friends, they can play together. And Letty likes creeping up on them and scaring them. Letty. Now.
And Emily, what about the chickens?
Oh, the chickens. We've got chickens. I'll just tell you a bit about them.
Go in and hold one.
Go in? If you're in the door, Harriet, just leave it there, Harriet. These chickens are very well behaved.
See if there's any eggs.
Now, we're just checking if there are any eggs. Nope, doesn't look like there are. And this is my chicken. She's very well behaved. You get down there. Get off my shoe then. This is Poppy. She's fast. But, oh, I picked her up though. So this is Fox. And Serendipity. This is Serendipity, Harriet's chicken. She's getting very fat.
Are we going to have a Christmas dinner?
No, we're not eating her Christmas dinner.
Okay, say bye then, Ems.
First, this is a very sad thing about this place. You find lots of glass.
Aww. Okay, say bye.
No, not yet, Harriet. I need to tell you a bit more about my life. Well, it's not about my life, it's about our garden and stuff. Charlotte, you're not getting past me.
Say bye, Ems.
Can you look it?
People don't want to watch videos.
This is my trampoline. Goodbye. Can I do a film on you?
Let me...
Please. Oh, please.
Hang on, I don't know how to stop it.